How to manage low quality content on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the content preferences. Okay, you can tap this. In content preferences, you can see the manage default. So you can manage the content to take action on so people are less likely to see it. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the manage default. And now you can see here the low quality content. And the low quality content is set into default. So you can manage this or set this by tap the low quality content and the pop-up below are show. And now you can set the low quality content. So you can set into show more, or you can set into default, or you can set into show less. So I decide to set into show less the low quality content. And after you set, okay, you'll have to do tap the save button. And okay, after that, you may see less. So low quality videos that may loop or have image instead of video. Potential spam like account that may be fake. Clickbait which may exaggerate details or withhold information. So okay, you'll have to do tap the okay button. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully managed the low quality content on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.